deal with people who, yeah, they have poverty. They really do live in squalor, although of their own,
because they can't get off the drugs.
Whatever. And then I'm like, you can work.
And maybe pay for your own fucking shit. Just be clear. 1/4 of Molly and Morgan's family have been to my office. Truth be told, it's true. Everybody wants welfare. That's sad. That's funny. You know this is funny. I'm like, oh my God, this is fucking karma. And I don't know if I can give you welfare knowing you're well.